Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with another video, and today's video is about the Volvo wheel loader. And the problem of this loader is a battery warning is coming and it's no charging showing. But now I'm going to check what is the problem. I will go in the electrical system. So this is one is a electrical system I selected, and now this voltage is coming 26 voltage. Now I'm going to start the loader. Okay, so here you can see the 26 voltages are coming here. After it I will start the loader. Okay, so now I started the loader. So here you can see it's coming the 20 almost 30 voltages are coming, 30.2 voltages is a very high voltages coming. And here downside you can see this still battery warning is coming here. So it's a problem. You can see in front of you the voltages are 30 volt and battery warning still is coming. So I'm going to diagnose this problem, why this is happening. Maybe the problem in regulator, or maybe problem is somewhere else. So I will remove the alternator and I check where is the problem. So this is also battery warning is still coming. This one is also I will diagnose this problem. So here this one is alternator. I'm going to remove this one in off camera. So views, here is this alternator which I have removed from the machine in off the camera. So now I'm going to dismantle it and check its regulator. Okay, so in off camera I will dismantle it. This is one regulator. Okay, and this plate I will remove first, and after I show you its regulator. So here you can see I have dismantled the plate from the back sides, and here you can see this one is the regulator. Okay, I remove this one. Okay, and after here I fixed here this regulator. This is the old one, this is spare with me. So after it I will fix this regulator here in the place of the other regulator, which I will remove from the this regulator. So now I am going to remove this old regulator, which is a bad one. I have removed this bolt from here. Okay, so I have removed the bolt. So now this regulator will I moved. So here you can see it's already this one is not good. I not checked it, but I think it's not working, therefore this alternator is overcharging. So here I fixed this regulator. This is already old one, but it is spare with me, and this is a good one, it is already tested. So now I'm going to fix it here. After it I will check this one alternator on the machine. Here you can see after changing the regulator, now I'm going to fix back this alternator. Okay, these two bolts I have fixed. Now I'm going to fix these wires, and also after it I will fix this belt and then check my problem is finished or not. So here you can say I have also finished this work. I have changed the regulator. I fixed back all the wires, and also I put belt back. Now I'm going to inside the cabin and check my alternator is working or not. It has come inside the cabin. I'm going to, now machine is on. So here's the voltages are 25.6 is coming. Now I'm going to start the machine. So machine is started. Now voltages are okay. 28 voltage coming. 20 voltage is okay, but this still this battery is not battery warning is not going. So I'm going to check what is the problem to this one. But voltage is 28.2. Voltage are okay now. Voltage has no problem. So here's I come back side to this alternative side. So here's this connector. I moved this cover, and I found that you can see this wire is broken. Okay, so this due to this wire is broken, therefore my battery light was not going off. I repaired this wire, and after it I will check my problem is finished or not. Okay, I am going to repair this wire, and after it I will check my battery light is gone or not. Okay, so here you can see I have repaired this wire. This wire was broken. I have repaired it. Now I am going to fix back this here, and after that I will go to start my loader. I have fixed this cover. Now I am going to fix back this here. Okay, now is everything ready? Now I am going to inside the cabin. Now I check my warning has gone or not. So here you can see now I am inside the cabin. Now I am going to on the machine. Now machine is on. Okay, here you can see this battery. This battery warning is coming. After starting, I will check this battery will go or not. So I'm going to start the machine. So machine is started, and you can say warning sign has gone. So problem was this one was my alternator regulator was a problem. I changed the alternator regulator. Second was this battery warning was coming because the wire was broken. Now my problem has fixed. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.